COVID-19 has changed everything. The way we work, socialize, travel, and collaborate. Our new normal can feel overwhelming. Now more than ever, we want to feel safe in the spaces where we work, gather, and play. And now we can. Introducing BioCloud, the latest innovation from Control, a leader in safe space technology. BioCloud is designed to detect airborne viruses, including SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID-19. BioCloud Analyzer continuously monitors air quality by sampling the air in real time with an unobtrusive wall-mounted unit. When SARS-CoV-2 is detected, the technology silently alerts facility managers via their mobile devices, assisting to mitigate outbreaks and to speed up contact tracing. And it's easy to use. Cloud-based and Wi-Fi enabled, all you need to do is plug it in. The BioCloud technology has been independently tested with funding from the National Research Council of Canada, and it's proudly developed and manufactured in Ontario. BioCloud will be ready to ship to schools, hospitals, long-term care facilities, and mass transit vehicles in the fall of 2020.